In this video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting easy and fast. Zoom is the most popular video teleconference application in this world. In this tutorial, I'll make two sections. That is the first, how to sign up to Zoom meeting, and the second section is how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Make sure that you watch this video until the end. Before continuing the tutorial, please consider to leave a like and comment to help this channel grow bigger and faster. Let's start the tutorial. Let's go to the first section, that is how to register or sign up to Zoom meeting. To join Zoom meeting, we need a browser. So, in this case, I want to use Chrome. Let's open Google Chrome. After opening the Google Chrome, let's type zoom.us. We will be directed to Zoom website. After opening zoom.us, we can click sign up. It's free. For verification, please confirm your date of birth. Here, we have to fill our date of birth. Okay, continue. You can sign up with your email address, or you can choose to sign up with SSO or Google or Facebook. I will choose to sign up with my Google account, so I choose Google. And here, you can choose your Google account to sign up to Zoom. I will choose my Google account. Welcome to Zoom. Create your Zoom account with your Google account. Just click Create Account. You have succeeded to register or sign up to Zoom meeting. And now we will go to the next section, how to schedule a Zoom meeting. After signing up to Zoom meeting, now we can schedule a Zoom meeting. How to schedule a Zoom meeting? You can choose menu meetings. And then click schedule a meeting. In this page, you can schedule your meeting. The first, you can fill your topic, what your meeting topic is about. For example, I want to meeting with my members. So I will make member meeting. And then you can schedule when will your meeting start. Here you can choose the date. And then you can set up the duration of your meeting in hour and minute. We can see a note here, your Zoom basic plan has 40-minute time limit on meetings with 3 more participants. Upgrade now to enjoy unlimited group meetings. If our Zoom is basic, we only can a meeting with duration less than 40 minutes. If you want unlimited time, you can upgrade your Zoom. I will set this to 30 minutes. And then you can choose your time zone. Is it a recurring meeting or not? If it is not a recurring meeting, you can leave it blank. And for the security, you can choose to give password or no password for your meeting. For waiting room, you can checklist if you want only users admitted by the host can join the meeting. If you allow everyone to join the meeting, you can leave it blank. And then for the video, you can choose for the host and participant. You can choose the video of host or participant is on or off. I will choose to off. And for the options, you can choose some options here. Click show. Allow participants to join anytime. Mute participants upon entry. If you want all participants are muted when joining the Zoom meeting, you can mark it. automatically record meeting on the local computer. If you want the meeting is recorded to your local computer, you can mark it, approve or block entry to users from specific regions or countries. You can choose to allow or block some users from some countries. And then after completing setting this up, you can choose to save. And now your Zoom meeting has been scheduled. And if you want to share the link to your members or participants, you can click copy invitation. This is the link and meeting ID and password. You can share this information to your members or participant. Copy meeting invitation. When the scheduled meeting time has come, you can choose to start this meeting. And you will be directed to Zoom application. That is my tutorial about how to schedule a Zoom meeting. It is very easy, isn't it? If you like this video, please consider to leave a like and comments. And don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.